पहले बात करते थे इंक्लूसिव ग्रोथ, इंक्लूसिव डेवलपमेंट.
Hello everyone, this is Lakshay from Zex Media and we have Mr. Gaura and Mr. Dushyant from InvestCard. So hi, how are you?
All well, all blessings. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Great. So how's the feeling? How's the event going so far for you?
So, in the FinTech Festival India is very exciting for us. This is the very first time we are showcasing as an exhibitor here.
So we have lots of footfall right now, lots of queries. So we're dealing everything. It's great.
Great. So just tell me how's your journey been with the InvestCard?
So, I'm a chartered accountant by profession. We have done practice 15 years so far. Then we have saw that there is a huge space of huge, you can say, gap of the distribution of lending in investment and insurance. So then we have thought try to integrate lending, insurance, investment at a single place, powered by single KYC and a single roof. So then we have come up with the idea of InvestCraft.
Nice.
Right. So
how exactly the InvestCard works?
So InvestCraft is having a BFSI aggregation at a single place. So we have almost 30 or more than 30 services at a single place related to investment, lending, insurance and payments. So what we are exactly doing, we are empowering corporates where we are giving our stack to them and they can cross-sell the benefit of insurance, lending, investment and everything. So that's how we are empowering cross-sell into the market.
So
Nice.
A small agent can cross-sell 30 plus product without getting a regulatory license, without extending his team, without taking any compliance burden. So his income can increase from X to 3X.
Great. And you being the whole service provider, you just created the solutions, right? And
Right, so we
just
have
provided
created the regulatory as well as the operational solutions for them. So for example, if a mutual fund distributor is there and who wants to cross-sell the lending and insurance product to their current target market, so that's where we come. They don't have to put any team into it. They don't have to put any regulatory. They don't have to take care of any compliance. InvestCraft is taking care of it and we are extending our licenses to them and they can cater their current market with multiple services.
Great. And providing such solutions, right? Enabling different people to just providing the operations and other stuff, and so they can handle what their expertise is on, right? And
Right,
what exactly do you think is the main, the main spotlight of InvestCard?
So if Spotlight would be the 30 plus financial product at a single place, single KYC, vernacular languages, made for real Bharat, tier 3, 4, 5, one-time cost of acquisition, the higher LTV.
Nice. And
Most of the fintechs are targeting tier 1 cities, Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore. These are their target markets. What we are exactly doing, we are also targeting this market, but our more focus is tier 2, 3 or 4 cities, where people are right now going towards the digital penetration.
exactly where the actual grassroots problems, right?
Right, absolutely.
Great. And what do you think are the new upcoming trends that's enable the whole fintech industry in better growth?
Right, so this is one thing which is everybody is talking about is artificial intelligence, which is creating a very great role. This is because they are consulting very well through that. For example, ChatGPT is there. People are, integrating the ChatGPT into their solutions, and they are providing better consulting to the customer. So that's one thing, and second is vernacular, because everybody in India, because आप हर जगह पे जाते हो आपका language different हो जाता है. So that is one thing, because people want the thing to be in their language so they can easily use that.
Yes, the real adoption
Right.
to the
Real
AI.
penetration of AI, the real penetration of fintech is onto the vernacular and the artificial intelligence.
Nice. So hope to see more things from. I hope you grow your services from 30 to even more 50s, right? By enabling it through AI and other stuff, right? And there's one more day left. So is your excitement high for the last day as well?
Yes, day second response is quite good, and we are expecting the same response in day 3. Thank you.
Great. So I hope you have better traction the leftover day. Enjoy your day, and thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.